right, we're going to work on your custom side. We call it iCustom. So if you want to set yours up, you can come to the menu button and it says iCustom. So on your iCustom bar, you can have 18 individual icons or you can have 16 individual icons. So if you hit this button down here, it brings it down to 8. If you hit the button again, it'll give you 16. Now you have 2 pages of icons. You've got your time, your date, your plus a stitch, minus a stitch, your trace, your ABCs, your slow, your jump. So you can choose whatever you would like to see on your iCustom front page. Read, you've got bobbins, save a file. Let me tell you, this is one you're definitely going to want on your panel. Save file, plus 10 stitches, minus 10 stitches, and your settings on your machine. So when you go back, you have exactly what you've chosen right here. If you only had 8, you would have 1 line, 1 column. If you had 2, you have both columns. So that's how you set up your iCustom. You put the designated icons that you want to see on your front page of your panel.